Hey, what's going on, everybody? So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to add a product or how to add your offers into this new platform, OfferLab. Now, if you've never heard of OfferLab, it's essentially a marketplace where you can upload your offers and people can literally collab with you and create what I call a super funnel, my term. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to actually do it using Funnel Freedom or also GoHighLevel. Okay. So I have probably over 1,500 people that have used Funnel Freedom, which is our funnel builder. So I'm going to show you how to do it with that. Okay. Now this will work if you're using GoHighLevel as well, since Funnel Freedom was built using GoHighLevel. Okay. So if you're one of my Funnel Freedom users, this is for you. Or if you're a GoHighLevel user, this will also work for you as well. Okay. And it'll be similar if you're using any other funnel builders such as ClickFunnels or Shopify. The beauty of OfferLab is it doesn't matter what platform you're using. The cool thing is, like, literally you can put any offers from almost any platform and people can still collab with you. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to do this one live for you guys. That way you guys can see me do it in real time. Okay. For one of my products that I just created. Okay. Now I'm going to leave a link down below, and that will give you access for a free OfferLab account. Okay. And then if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to give you an offer that you can add on OfferLab literally within the next 24 hours. And you can have people promote it for you. Okay. Really excited about that. You got to stick to the end because I'm going to talk about how you can do that too. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here and let me show how it all works. Let's see. Okay. So once you create your OfferLab account, again, I'll leave a link down below. I also have like a super bonus if you get your free account. But anyways, once you are logged in, you create your OfferLab account, you'll see this dashboard here. Okay. Now this is a brand new account that I created for my other business. Okay. This is a software business that me and my partner, Sean, have together. Okay. So I created a separate account and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay. So first things first is, when you're here, you got to do your integration. Okay. So right here where it says profile. Okay. You're going to click on profile and we're going to connect it to your funnel builder. Okay. So let me do that real quick. I just want to make sure I don't have any sensitive information here. Okay. Here we go. So this is your profile here. You want to go to where it says integrations. Okay. Now, again, this is cool because it doesn't matter if you're using ClickFunnels, Shopify, Patreon, WooCommerce, Square, HighLevel, Funnel Freedom. You can literally integrate your products in seconds. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do. Okay. Now, if you're using Funnel Freedom, okay. So for those of you who are using funnelfreedom.io, oops, let me show you here. This is our software that allows you to create courses, funnels, send messages, tap into multiple affiliate streams. Like we created this, me and my partner, Sean. This is where you want to go. Okay. Oops. Let me go back. Sorry about that. Where am I at? I have a million pages here. Apologize, guys. 1 second here. I have so many pages open. There we go. All right. I have literally so many tabs. Okay. So if you're using Funnel Freedom or HighLevel, you're going to click on this button here where it says HighLevel. Okay. This basically Funnel Freedom was built on HighLevel. So you're going to want to use this. Okay. So I'm going to hit connect to HighLevel and you're going to basically log in as your Funnel Freedom from your Funnel Freedom credentials. Okay. So I'm just going to go to login here and then I'm going to go ahead and log in just as a regular Funnel Freedom member. Okay. Now I've already done that. I've already logged into my Funnel Freedom account. Essentially you can go ahead and log in. And then once you do that, it's going to ask you to, let me go back over here. I think I already did it. That's why. Let me go back. I think I'd already signed in. Let me log out. Maybe that's what it is. I had done it earlier and then I took it off so I can show you guys. Let me try it again. Okay. So I'm going to go connect high level. Again, this is going to be for Funnel Freedom. Here we go. So this is what you want to see. You're going to hit next here. There we go. I had already logged in. Let's see if it'll let me do this now. There we go. So now I've connected it. You still have to sign in. You still have to create an account. But now I'm connected. Okay. So the next thing is like, okay, well, how do I get my funnels, my offers on the marketplace? Okay. So you'll notice here, if you go to my stuff, I think if you just type in Jonathan Montoya. Yeah. So you can see I have a lot of my offers and funnels already here. Right. So, Leave Your 9 to 5 Challenge, AI Freedom Launchpad. Same with, Camila Markson here. Camila Markson. She has her Insta Profit System, Millionaire Woman Academy. So a lot of my students, a lot of my, my students that are creating products, they're putting their stuff up here, right? You can see Steffi Chen. She has her online income lab, all that good stuff, right? So let me show you how to do that. Okay. So you're going to want to go to where it says sell, on the left. Okay. And, what you want to do is you want to go to where it says vault. Okay. So funnels is different. I'll show you that another day. Basically, funnels allows you to create a super funnel. I've actually created a video on that. So go check that out. But you're going to want to go to vault. Okay. So the way this works is in OfferLab, you have your products and you have your offers. Okay. Before you can go and create a offer, you have to add all your products. Okay. So that's the first thing I want to do is I want to add all my products in here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and add from high level. Again, this will be the same as Funnel Freedom if you're using that. I have a ton of products, or we do as in this company here. So I'm going to go to the correct one here. Let me see. There's so many. Okay. So this is the one. So you pick the right product. You could pick as many as you want here. Obviously we have a bunch of products. You may only have one. I'm going to pick just the 2 products that I'm going to do for now, just for the purposes of this video. Okay. So now my products are in. Okay. So that's it. Super easy. Now we got to create the actual offer itself. Okay. So this one takes a little bit longer. So I'm just going to put, Funnel Freedom, 15 streams, Funnel Freedom. I'm going to put main. Funnel Freedom, Funnel Builder. And then I'm trying to get a really good title here. So Funnel Freedom, Funnel Builder. That might be kind of long, but let me see. Funnel Freedom, Funnel Builder. Okay. Let's probably something like that. I just like to, again, I'm always a marketer. So when people are going through it, I want them to be like, oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. If you guys don't know, Funnel Freedom allows you to tap into 15 streams of income like in seconds. So really, really cool. It's something that my partner and I created. Okay. So next thing it's going to ask is it an e-commerce or a digital product? This is a digital product. I'm not selling clothes or anything like that. So there's a digital product here. It's actually software. So what products do you want to include in this offer? Okay. So this is really cool. So now I can go to, okay, I want to add, this product. And then you're going to want to add a description here. So I'm going to be lazy. I'm just going to use ChatGPT for this. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT and bear with me. I'm just going to go to, let's see. I'm going to say create a description for the following website. Let's see if it does that for me. It should go to the website and then create like a little description for me. All right, cool. I like it. Cool. I might go back and fix it, but for the purposes of the video, I'm just going to do that. Whoa, that looks horrible. Okay. Okay. Sorry, guys. Let me fix this. Create without all the references. All right. And that's why I'm doing this live for you guys. You can see me working in real time here. There we go. That's better. Okay, let's do that. Again, I'll probably go back and fix it here. I'm going to put allows newbies to tap instantly to tap into 15 plus affiliate income streams instantly. Okay, there we go. And okay, so that is the main product. And then I'm going to add another product here. I'm just going to put the yearly. We have like a yearly account here. So I'm just going to literally copy this and just say same thing, but yearly. I'll just put yearly. Hopefully that makes sense. So that's it. And then I'm going to hit next here. Obviously, with your offer, you can add multiple things here. But I'm just going to add that. Decide how you want to price your thing. I'm just going to go with simple pricing. Okay, so add prices. So let's see. So this should be reoccurring. So this is a $97 a month offer. Let's see. Monthly. There we go. Funnel Freedom. Monthly. Okay. That should create that. Okay. That should be good there. Create offer. And that's it. Almost. Okay. So now we have, we have the offer. Next, it's going to say create a sales page. Okay. So this is where it gets kind of cool. So I'm going to go here. What I can do is I can literally just use the exact same website, I believe. Let me see if it'll let me do that. Yep. So there you go. So what I did is I'm using, so I don't have to take the time and create another page. You can, if you want. I'm honestly just being lazy. I just want to throw my stuff up here. So, I'm just going to use simply the page that we use, which is this page right here. Works well for us. We've made millions of dollars. So, go ahead and add that. Okay. And then it's going to analyze. Now it says, now that we have your website URL, how would you like to create your sales page? I'm just going to use my existing page exactly. Okay. So I'm going to do this, and then this is where it gets a little techie. So I'll show you what we're doing here. Okay. So you got to add this script to the page. Okay. So I'm going to show you how we do this. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to go to my funnel freedom. Let's see, app.funnelfreedom.io. Okay, so let me go here. Oh, I have to log in again. Okay, 1 second, guys. Let me log in. All right. One second. I'm just grabbing 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here we go. Cool. All right. Let's do this. Okay, so now you're going to go to that funnel that you used. Okay, so I got to go look for it here. Okay, here we go. We have 1 million funnels. That's okay. Okay, so this is the funnel. So we have to add that. We have to add that code. Okay, so we're going to go to settings, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add this code right here. Okay, so at the head tracking code, you're going to add that. Okay. And then what we're going to do now is go back over here. Let's see, checking. There we go. So now it sees the script. So now we're going to go hit next. There we go. Okay. So what we want to do, connect my own prices. I'm just going to let OfferLab handle pricing. Okay, get started. So basically what you want to do is click all the buttons that need to be connected. Okay. So there we go. Hit next. Okay, should be good. Okay, so once you're done, on the top left, there's a little button here. Okay, yeah, so now it has everything. Okay, so cool. Let me see where we're at here. Okay, so we went ahead and made the offer, created the sales page, and now we want to list it for others to sell. Okay, so you want to add a photo here. Let me see if I have one already made. Let's see. Introduction. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, so I might do this later, but obviously you want to put like an introduction, a description of what it is, subtitle. I'm not going to do that right now just because it might take a little bit long. I just want to show you how to add it all in. Okay. And then you want to obviously add a photo when people go to the marketplace, right? So basically when people go to the marketplace, it'll show up somewhere, like it'll show up here. Okay. That's basically what it is. Okay. And that's it. So then, oh yeah, also let me show you. And then, really important here, you can go ahead and add how much commission you're giving out. So let me see where that is at. Oh yeah, publish to marketplace. Okay, offer needs to be live. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So list it. Oh, that's right, because I didn't add this information yet. Okay, I see. All right, so I'm gonna have to go do that, guys. Let's just go ahead and do it. That way we can just do this right away, and you guys can see. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this here. Introduction. I'm just gonna see if I can add ChatGPT to give me this. Let's see. Now I need the following based on the website info I gave you. Now, guys, again, I'm being a little lazy here. You guys can let's see if it'll work here. Introduction. There we go. Let's see. I think that might work. So we're gonna do introduction, and then description. So now we got description and then a subtitle. Let's see if it gave me that. Let's see. Perfect. So now I have a subtitle. I don't really like that. I'm just gonna put tap into 15 streams. 15 streams of income instantly. We give you 365 emails, funnels, and offers in seconds. That's better. Sometimes, okay, here we go. That's good. Let's see if it'll let me do it without the media. There we go. Offer must be live. Ooh, okay. So this is a brand new account. So I do have to create a Stripe account. Okay. So I'm not going to be able to do it live for you at the moment, but you do, in order to get paid, basically you have to create a Stripe account inside of OfferLab. And this will allow you to essentially get paid when people use your offers. Okay. So, that's what you have to do here. So offer must be live. The commission structure. Oh, here we go. So we usually do 40% on all our offers for Funnel Freedom already. Just put, oops. There we go. Insights, affiliates. Okay. Oh, okay. Here we go. Commission. I thought I had set this. Hold on. So we're going to do 40%. Term length. Regular. Why is that not saving? Hold on. 40%. Come on. There we go. Update. There we go. So now people can get paid 40% commission. Okay. That's it. And then obviously I have to have a Stripe account to make this live, which I don't want to do that right now on the video. But once you go live, essentially what happens is your offers, your products are on this marketplace. Okay. So now what I can do is I can literally go and create this super funnel with any product that I want. It's very, very powerful. And, it's cool because I can go and, create an offer with multiple things on the back end. It's really, really cool. Okay. I do want to show you something that I've created. I'll leave this link down below. It'll be the second link down below in the description. But I created this program called AI Freedom Launchpad. It's essentially an AI program that helps you learn AI, but you can also resell it at 100% commissions. Okay. Now, if you go ahead and buy this, part of this is you have rights to upload this to OfferLab. Now, let me show you something pretty cool. Okay. So I already had a few students doing this. So you can see if I go to AI Freedom Launchpad, right? You can see people are already uploading their version of AI Freedom Launchpad, and you can add your own branding, whatever you want to do. And essentially what people can do is resell these, and now you're building affiliates. Okay. So I'm going to leave the second link down below, or just say AI Freedom Launchpad, and I'll send you a link to this. It's basically this website, jonathanmontoyalive.com/AI freedom. Again, I'll leave the second link down below. That way you can get access. But that's it. That's how you add an offer into OfferLab. Again, the last thing remaining is you do have to create that Stripe account. But I hope this video was of value, and we'll see you on the next one, and God bless.